In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a superscript in Microsoft Word. Whether you're crafting a scientific document or simply adding a bit of flair to your text, knowing how to utilize this feature can really enrich your document's presentation. So let's dive right in and make it simple to follow. First, you'll want to start by opening your Microsoft Word file. Ensure that you have your document ready or create a new one if you're starting from scratch. This basic step sets the stage for everything else we're about to do. Microsoft Word has a user-friendly layout, so even if you're new to using it, navigating shouldn't be too daunting. Once you're in your Word file, you'll need to navigate to the Insert tab on the top menu. This is where you'll find an array of options to enhance your document, from pictures and tables to equations and symbols. Click on Equation. The Insert Equation feature is particularly useful for when you want to include mathematical or scientific expressions. After clicking Equation, a new world of possibilities opens within the document. Now you have access to writing more complex expressions and scientific notations directly in Word. We need to focus on the Script option under the Structures group, which you'll find in the toolbar above. Click on this and you'll see a variety of script options. Select Superscript. Upon selecting Superscript, you'll see two boxes appear in your document. This is essentially where you can input the base of your expression in the first box and the superscript in the second. For example, if you want to write x raised to the power of y, type x in the base box and y in the superscript box. This feature offers a clear and organized approach to creating a superscripted expression, making it easy for readers to understand. And there you have it. The superscript is neatly added into your document. This method allows you to insert superscripts quickly and easily, enhancing not only the aesthetic appeal of your document, but also conveying numerical data in a precise manner. Having the ability to write like this is especially useful for students, professionals, and academics who often need to include such notations in their work. By following these steps, you can now add superscripts whenever you need them in your Word documents. Remember, practice makes perfect. So feel free to explore other features within the Insert tab once you feel comfortable. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more handy tips and tricks to make your word processing experience smoother and more productive. Happy writing!